Oh my gosh, you guys, I think the baby got the hiccups. Can you hear that? Either that or she trying to get away from the monitor. They monitor me real. Anyways, I took my Tylenol and now I'm just waiting on them to dismiss me. I'm going back home, and I hope everyone had a great time watching this clip. I try to get as much as possible. I would definitely see y'all in this clip because tomorrow I have my OBGYN. I don't know if I gotta take the sugar test tomorrow or not, but hey, we will see. Peace. Oh, and don't forget to check out my registry that is in my bio. But if I had to post it again, I'll post it in the comments. If you're on YouTube and following me on YouTube, don't forget to do this description because I think my registry will be there as well. Or I'll post it in the comment after uploading these videos. Thanks.